And everybody will come in at that show. Have to buy well, be there, I want to know. Vendetta, come on, you know, if you do better than that. How you fi make the DJ album debut at number 10? That's such an embarrassment.
That's cool.
And me when I know fans, I debut at number 4 would walk a mile. How that work? And in a lesser than another month, 1 month, one next one debut at number 5. So you want to tell me say the Khago doesn't have credit card? And we don't have none. Vendetta, careful what you're not doing. Listen to me, I'm going to tell you something. And this is why I'm telling you, say artists don't need help. Everybody have one system where they lack. Me sell 1,000 hard copy CD in a month. Listen to me. If me a Alkaline, I did that in check for me like how me check fame and you also show him. I mean, the uncle man are playing for 1 hour upon my platform as artist. And I fight fame when them are stone him. Then just not show back the love to because they say a hype you look when I rate them because your sister them I get the fight or you get. Listen to me. A 100,000 CD. How much? How much people come out? 30,000? No, 17,000. Me want 15,000 CD and everybody will come in at that show. Have to buy one. And the way how me I release the album, it have to count as a sale. Hey DJ, what you do? Don't release album if you not take it serious, you know. Because them are hold that against your throat. And cut it off. With dull knife.
Dull knife. Saka.
Saka never saka your throat. And you do a berate you. You understand? You must know say how Khago now no fans. And Khago sell 1,000 hard copy CD. Me know no see everything. You see no other dancehall artists do that. Khago had the good man release one album. 2 albums in a 1 month and the 2 of them hit Billboard and the dog no have full no fan base. DJ. Anybody who is part to know good at something, not because they're not hot like you use them. Everybody is there to be used.
That's cool.
See, your sister good at what she does, while other man good at what he does. He just now get the highlight. How Alkaline album for Japan sell 1,000 copies? You must be sick in it. A Khago sell that. I mean a hard copy CD in a 1 week. Me sell 1,000 CD. You need to get people who's partner and a shame around your youth. They don't have it around you, you know. When you put out any project, man, you just send a hard copy, them come to me. And me sell them for you. But make sure, say, yo, listen to me. They set with spot. It have to go up as a sale. Every copy we spot sell. It come to your account. Or you go to feed them account and it is a sale. One album sell. You have 1,000 CD album for sell hard copy. Khago, sell them there for me. And you watch a 1 week you sell off. Dog, you know. Listen. Me know you're not rich, you know. But automatically, when we put out albums, see me just drop my 2 albums there. Actually, me just put them out for my fans them. You understand? Me don't do that strong marketing there and me just live one piece of my life right now because I don't get to live none. You understand? But dog, me feel a way, dog. Me don't like here. And you know how Jamaicans stay, dog. Anything for tear down somebody. And it don't make no sense where I say, yo, the DJ sell out that DJ and the DJ sell out up a town. No, we want the man album to look great. Because making an album is hard work.
Yes, Papa.
Mother Road. NPT.